Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's Kitchen, we are making crispy, juicy, roasted chicken with red potatoes and carrots. This is one pot dish, guys. It's easy to make, it's flavorful, spicy, and delicious. And it can be thrown together in minutes. You just toss chicken leg quarters, potatoes, and carrots in the baking dish with seasoning and bake. Also, chicken leg quarters are not the only meat you can make with this recipe. You can also use any other parts of the chicken. So guys, let's get started. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need 6 chicken leg quarters, red potatoes, carrots, spice and herb seasoning, Cajun seasoning. You will also need garlic and pepper seasoning, paprika, olive oil, lemon, and cayenne pepper. First things first, we are going to mix our spices and seasoning in a small bowl. Add spice and herb seasoning along with Cajun seasoning. We're gonna toss in paprika, add garlic and pepper, red cayenne pepper, then mix thoroughly until well combined. Then we're gonna set it aside. Next, we are going to season our chicken. Generously season your chicken with the spices. Rub the spices on the chicken, making sure each and every part of the chicken is well seasoned. Next, we are going to add lemon juice, add olive oil, then we're gonna mix thoroughly. Cover with the plastic wrap and let it marinate for 1 hour in the refrigerator. I like to marinate my chicken up to 12 hours to enhance the flavor. It's been 1 hour. Now we're gonna work on the carrots and potatoes. Chop the carrots into bite-sized pieces, just like so, guys. Now we are going to cut each potato into 8 equal pieces. First you cut it half, then half, then fourth. Just like so, guys. Make sure, guys, you don't cut them too small, as we want them to cook evenly with the chicken. Now let's move on and work on our vegetables. Add half of the remaining spice mixture and olive oil. Mix thoroughly until all the vegetables are coated with the seasoning, just like so, guys. Now we are going to coat our glass baking dish with non-stick cooking spray, then add the vegetables to the pan. Arrange the chicken leg quarters on top of the vegetables. Sprinkle the chicken with the remaining spice mixture. With this recipe, we are not going to add salt. Our seasoning is actually salty, but feel free to add some. Cover with foil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. It's been 1 hour. We're gonna pull out our chicken and remove the foil, then put it back in the oven to cook for another 25 minutes. There you have it, guys. Delicious, crispy, crackly skin leg quarters chicken with red potatoes and carrots. The baked potatoes and carrots absorb the juices for the baked chicken leg quarters and create the most amazing meal ever. Guys, this dish is so delicious, easy to make, and very comforting. I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you do, please leave a comment down below to let us know how it turned out for you. I know, guys, you'll love this one. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my